Alright, we're in Buffalo Grove at this office building here, and looks like we got some Otis elevators, some Series 1s by the looks of it, I think, if my eyes are correct. And again, my vision's definitely not 20/20, so I could be wrong. Yeah, it looks like they are. Oh, look at these lobbies. So many awesome 80s buildings here. Look at these. These are cool. Oh, these are nice. Four? These aren't very fast. These are probably only like 150, maybe 200 feet per minute. Yeah, these are slow. But these cabs are really nice though. I love these cabs. No pre-door either. Anyway, that is gonna be it.